Okay. Oh my god. Is that a woman? Yes, I am a woman. Can we do the song of our people? Yes.